my phone on, should've been cut off. Where did you cut off? Not for me. I spent another night crying in bed, just lying the way that you lied to me. And maybe damn, I even put my plans off just so you could put off you and me. I gave you everything and you gave me nothing. You gave me nothing but history, yeah. I used to be caught in the middle between the tricks and the games and your riddles, but now I'm starting to see just a little. I'm wondering. My heart back then, I let it go back then. Should've paid you back when you made me cry. Now that it's over, how will I get over